प्रिय छात्राः, स्वागतम. Gujarat Board Class 7 Chapter 6. The name of the chapter is Sankhya. But it would be a fun chapter because here we are going to see the scores of a live cricket match. So cricket match चल रही है और उनके प्लेयर्स ने क्या स्कोर बनाया वो हम इस नंबर्स के माध्यम से जानेंगे. So without wasting any time, let's see किसने क्या रन्स बनाए हैं. प्रिय छात्राः, नमस्ते. मैं हूं आपकी संस्कृत आचार्य डॉक्टर नम्रता. नमस्ते संस्कृत यूट्यूब चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है. हमारे साथ जुड़िए. प्रेस द सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू क्लिक ऑन द बेल आइकन. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. आरंभम कुर्मः. संस्कृत में नंबर्स आर सो इजी. आपको बस करना ये है, टेक ऑल योर फिंगर्स राइट हियर, डू एक्शंस विथ मी. द नंबर्स आर एकम, द्वे, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पंच. यस, जो इंग्लिश में पंच का है सेम उच्चारण इसका है. एकम, द्वे, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पंच. षट, लाइक इन शट द विंडो, शट योर माउथ, तो सेम एक्शन षट. सप्त, अष्ट, नव, दश. Now the common mistake that students make here is everywhere in the end you can see there is one complete vowel except this. This would be called shut and not shutter. Shut. त आधा है, उसको इतना आप स्ट्रेस मत लीजिए, मत बोलिए शटर. शट बोल के खत्म करिए. But rest all is having a sound. So be specific to say a without fail. Don't say punch. Pancha, sapta, ashta, nava, dasha. Apart from that, we also need to know the following numbers. The table of 10, adha. 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. The words are dasha, vimshatihi. In Sanskrit, this anuswar is not na. It is equivalent to half ma. Vimshatihi, trimshat, chatvarimshat, panchashat. And the interesting thing is, if you are having Indian currency of either 10, 20 or 50 denominations, flip the currency and you would be able to see कि उनमें scheduled language में one of the language is Sanskrit. जिसके पीछे लिखा होगा दश रूप्यकाणि, विंशति रूप्यकाणि, पंचाशत रूप्यकाणि. We also need to do one shortcut trick. See, like in English numbers, you say 21, 22, 23. You keep 20 same and then you add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in 50, 60, everywhere. 51, 52, 53, you are putting 50 word first and then adding 1, 2, 3, 4. But in Sanskrit, there is one simple rule. Sankhyanam vamato gatihi. All the numbers will go from right to left. Meaning, if I read this word and I don't know the meaning of this word in the chapter, तो मैं एक smart guess करूंगी. वो अनुमान इस तरह से करूंगी कि पंच का meaning है 5, दश का meaning है 10. So not 5 and 10, but मैं दश को यानी कि 10 को पहले लिख के पंच को बाद में लिखूंगी. So this is पंचदश. 25 के लिए पंचविंशति ही, 35 पंचत्रिंशत. ओके, so 30, 20 जो भी नंबर है वो पीछे सेम ऐड हो रहा है. From 11 to 20 you can see the pattern of dasha, dasha, dasha written everywhere. We are just adding 1, 2, 3 words पहले. तो क्या होगा? Let's say it together. एकादश, द्वादश, त्रयोदश, चतुर्दश, पंचदश, षोडश, and not षट्दश, षोडश, सप्तदश, अष्टादश, नवदश, विंशतिः. उसी तरह से ये चैप्टर के पीछे 1 to 50 सभी नंबर्स दिए हैं. एक बार ध्यान से उन्हें देखना. अब शुरू करते हैं द चैप्टर. दिस इज अ कन्वर्सेशन बिटवीन रमेश एंड नीलेश. रमेश एंड नीलेश. और वो दोनों आपस में क्या बातें कर रहे हैं? They will be discussing the cricket match score of each and every player in each and every game. So let's know कि उसका मीनिंग क्या है. Okay? भोः नीलेश किम करोति? ओ नीलेश, what are you doing? क्रिकेट दलस्य धावनाङ्कफलकं पश्यामि. अहं किं पश्यामि? What am I saying? धावनफलकम. The word फलकम means board. अब अगर ये ब्लैक बोर्ड है तो कृष्ण फलकम, ग्रीन बोर्ड है हरित फलकम, व्हाइट बोर्ड है श्वेत फलकम. लेकिन ये कौन सा बोर्ड देख रहा है? तीनों में से एक भी नहीं. He is looking at धावन अंक फलकम, मीनिंग द स्कोर बोर्ड. ऐसा बोर्ड जहाँ पे सबके स्कोर्स लिखे हैं. धावन अंक मीन्स धावन यानी धावती, भागना, जिसको हम इंग्लिश में रन्स कहते हैं. तो ही इज लुकिंग एट द रन्स, किसने कितने रन्स बनाए. बात हो रही है प्लेयर नंबर 1. हिज नेम इज भाविक. आप में से अगर कोई भाविक वीडियो देख रहा है तो कमेंट में बताना, क्योंकि आपके स्कोर्स, आपने क्रिकेट खेला या नहीं मुझे नहीं पता, आपके स्कोर्स यहाँ लिखे हुए हैं, तो हम आज वो उजागर करने वाले हैं. भाविकस्य प्रथम क्रीडायां कति धावन अंकाः. The number kati will be same everywhere. Kati is how many. Countable question के लिए kati use करेंगे. So, भाविकस्य प्रथम क्रीडायां in the first game, what are the score of Bhavik? He says एकचत्वारिंशत्. एकचत्वारिंशत्. It means पहले हमें 1 लिखना है और उसके बाद 40. So 40 and 1, 41. एकचत्वारिंशत् 41. मैं चाहती हूँ जहाँ जहाँ पे भी नंबर्स दिखाई दे, सर्कल इट एंड राइट द इंग्लिश नंबर देयर इटसेल्फ. द्वितीय क्रीडायां, दूसरे गेम में, he says चतुस्त्रिंशत्. So त्रिंशत् will be first. 34. सेकेंड गेम में उसने 34 रन्स बनाए. नाउ ही इज क्यूरियस टू नो फॉर ईच एंड एवरी गेम. तृतीय क्रीडायां, तीसरे गेम में, अष्टाविंशति. अष्ट इज 8, विंशति इज 20, सो 28. चतुर्थ क्रीडायां, व्हाट अबाउट द फोर्थ गेम? फोर्थ गेम में कितने स्कोर हुए? 50, अ फ्लैट 50 रन्स. पंचम क्रीडायां, व्हाट अबाउट इन द फिफ्थ गेम? नवत्रिंशत्. त्रिंशत् is 30 and Nava is 9. So 39. So these were the score of player number 1, Bhavik. Now Ramesh is curious to know all the cricket runs made by the second player named Nirav. आप में से अगर कोई नीरव वीडियो देख रहा है तो मुझे बताइए आपके जो स्कोर लिखे हैं वो करेक्ट है या नहीं. अहो नीलेश, मीनिंग ओ नीलेश. नीरवस्य का स्थितिः? What is the position of Nirav? सः प्रथम क्रीडायां त्रयस्त्रिंशत् धावन अंकान् प्राप्तं करोति. In the first game, he scored 33 runs. त्रयस्त्रिंशत्, so 30 and त्रयः is 3. 33 runs उसने बनाए in the first game. Now he wants to know more. द्वितीय क्रीडायां, in the second game, एकविंशतिः धावन अंकाः. एकविंशतिः, सो हम विंशति 20 and 1, 21 इस तरह से नंबर लिखेंगे. तर्हि तस्य तृतीय क्रीडायां का स्थितिः? तो फिर उसके तीसरे क्रीडा में क्या स्थिति है? चत्वारिंशत्, मीनिंग 40. उत्तमम. चतुर्थ क्रीडायां के वेरी गुड. व्हाट अबाउट द फोर्थ गेम? इन द फोर्थ गेम, षट्त्रिंशत्, 36 runs in the fourth game. अंतिम क्रीडायां नीरवः कति धावनांकान् प्राप्तं करोति? What about in the last game? लास्ट गेम में उसने कितने रन्स बनाए? सम्यक अस्ति, द्विचत्वारिंशत्. सम्यक इज अ वर्ड फॉर सेइंग ठीक है. अगर मैं आपको पूछूं केम छो, हाउ आर यू, कथम अस्ति, यू कैन रिप्लाई विथ कुशली, कुशलिनी अस्मि और सम्यक अस्मि. आई एम फाइन. ओके, सब ठीक है. द्विचत्वारिंशत्, ही सेज द स्कोर इज 46. 42 scores in the last game. एक बात बताओ, in your textbook this word is written. अब इसका उच्चारण हम ती नहीं कर सकते. So there is a mistake here. I would say हिंदी और गुजराती और सभी भाषा से संस्कृत इसीलिए ही अनुस्वार के संदर्भ में अलग है. तो please circle it and make this correction. So I would like you to make this correction in your textbook. So this will be antim and that will be amtin. So it's not it's an. So this. Now we are talking about the third player. Third player's name is Shalin. Pashya Shalinasya prathama kridayaam shatrinshad dhavanankaha. See, the runs of Shalin in the first game is shatrinshad, 36. Dvitiya kridayam tasya saptatrinshad. Yes, so he is agreeing on this point, and then he says in the second game his scores are 37, saptatrinshad. Tritiya kridayam adhikam nasti. He hasn't scored much. In the third game, kevalam shodasha. Only and only 16. 16. Shodasha. He agrees. Satyam. Chaturtha kridayam api shat vimshatihi. In the fourth game also 26. Tarhi panchama kridayam saha adhikam ashta chatvarinshad dhavanankan prapnoti. And he has scored more in the fifth game. तो देखा, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ में भले अच्छा स्कोर नहीं किया, लास्ट गेम में सबसे ज्यादा स्कोर किया. हाउ मेनी रन्स? अष्टचत्वारिंशत्, 48. Now, everywhere this word is given in all the textbooks. So I feel when we are saying about run, score, धावना अंक, तो ये जो ग लिखा है और ये न लिखा है वो दोनों कैंसल करना है और इसकी जगह पे आपको धावनांकम. So cancel the g and the n. So the word will become धावनांकम. So this come is correct and this ga न को cancel कर देना है. Okay. So let's start the Abhyas Karyam for this chapter. So let's start with the Abhyas Karyam exercise behind this chapter. Pronounce the following words orally. I will be saying each word thrice. Please repeat after me each time. Dhavananka phalakam. The point to be noted here is બીજી બધી ભાષામાં આ જે અક્ષર છે એને ફ કહેવાય છે. But in Sanskrit we are not going to say it as F A F. We will be saying P H A P. So this will be Dhavananka phalakam. Dhavananka phalakam. Dhavananka phalakam. Chaturtha kridayam. Long vowel E, so थोड़ा खींचना है. Chaturtha kridayam. Chaturtha kridayam. Dhavanankaha. Same word here, but pay attention, this is dot. D નથી, અંગ છે. Dhavanankaha. Dhavanankaha. Uttamam. This is pascha. Mistake. Okay, there is a mistake here. This is not half sh, paschat. और पश्चाताप भी नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि ऐसा कोई शब्द ही नहीं है चैप्टर में. इट इज नंबर 50 इज कॉल्ड पंचाशत. तो पहले तो ये करेक्ट कर लीजिए. प्लीज करेक्ट दिस इनटू दिस वर्ड एंड देन वी विल प्रैक्टिस दिस वर्ड. पंचाशत. 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 नेक्स्ट इज लेस. न्यूनः. ओ इज दीर्घ, सो लॉन्ग. न्यूनः. 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 Next word is patitva. 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 Trayastrimshat. 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 And the last word, shat trimshat. Shat, trim, shat. Shat, trim, shat. And I'm not saying shada, trim, shat. The is halant, half. Shat, trim, shat. That's right. Now next question is a very interesting question. But many of us don't know how to write Sanskrit numbers. Take your Tippani Pustakam notebook and first let us see how to write Sanskrit numbers, like as in digit form. This is Shunyam, like this. Ekam can be written like this. This is Dve, Trini, Chatvari, and Pancha is like sitting on an armchair like this. Shat is ulta. Sapta looks like a jalebi, the center portion. Ashta is Dadaji ki chhari. And Nava will be round, then curve like this. So after learning how to write Sanskrit digits, we will be solving this second question. Read the following phrases and write them in numbers and words in the table. After reading these phrases, we have to write Sanskrit number digits and in words, not words. So this is O, not A. हमें किसी संतान बच्चों को यहाँ पे नहीं लिखना है, शब्दों में लिखना है. Okay, jokes apart. So the first question is asking Shivasya netrani. Observe very nicely. Ekam, Dve, Trini. The third eye is right here at the center. So we will be writing Trini. Be careful not to write Shat. Bane ek જેવું દેખાય છે. So this is Trini in digit and in numbers. Next is Pandavaha, Pancha, Pandavaha, 5 Pandav. Next is Vedaha. For those who have no idea about what is Veda, I am going to show you all the 4 Veda. This is Rigvedaha, Yajurvedaha, Samavedaha, Atharvavedaha. So how many Veda are there? Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari. Actually, Veda Shabda is Pullinga, but we are not covering the different portions like Chatvari, Chatvaraha, Chatasraha. For now, in the beginner level, just write whatever is given in the number sheet from 1 to 50 at the back of the chapter. So, Vedaha, this is the digit. This is Chatvari. When you go to higher levels, you will write Chatvaraha like this. रावण को तो आप जानते ही है. रावणस्य मस्तकानि. How many heads of Ravan? Those who don't know Ravan. Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, Shat, Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dasha. Dasha Mastakani. But what we don't know is this is not the actual Ravan. रावण को अपने कटी के भाग से ऊपर 10 शरीर थे. Meaning he was having 20 विंशति ही भुजा. बट वो कोई भी आर्टिस्ट चित्रकार के लिए पोर्ट्रे करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. इसीलिए they are just showing 10 heads and not 20 arms. So हम लिखेंगे. So Dasha Mastakani. Next is Vasaraha. Take any calendar, Dinadarshika. How many days are there? Starting from Sunday, Ravi Vasaraha, to Shani Vasaraha, Sapta Vasaraha. So write Sapta and in digits is tarah se. Next question is Trayanam Shashakanam Karnaha. Shashak, you know now, Akashaha Patati, we have done this chapter last year. So Shashaka is rabbit. Take 3 rabbits in your imagination. Each rabbit will be having 2 ears, Karnaha, Karnau. So how many total number of ears, Karnaha, of 3 rabbits? So I just did 3 multiplied by 2, that's Shat. So Shat. Similarly, Panchashrugalanam, 5 foxes, Padaha. Each Shrugal, each fox would be having Chatvaraha Padaha. So Pancha multiplied by Chatvaraha, Vimshatihi. 5 into 4, 20. So we will be writing Vimshatihi like this. Astu, let's go to the next question now. Write the following words in Sanskrit. This is Chaturdasha, 14. So we will write 1 like this and 4. Sapta Vimshatihi. We will write Sapta first and then go towards the left side and write 20 for Vimshatihi. Trayas Trimshat. 3 and 3. So then also we will practice starting right side first and then left side. Trayas Trimshat. Ashta Chatvarimshat. This is 8, Ashta and then Chatvarimshat. Navadasha. I will be writing Nava first and then Ekam. Navadasha, 19. Ashta Trimshat. So Ashta first and then Trimshat, 38. Pancha Chatvarimshat. Write Pancha first, go towards the left and write Chatvarimshat, 45. Sapta Dasha. This is Sapta and this is Dasha, 17. Next question is write the following numbers in words. It's already solved here. You can see the answers. Now let's see the most important thing. Numbers 1 to 50. We need to learn every number. How to learn it? First step. Circle all the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. If you have highlighters, you are free to use it after your teacher's permission. After that, I have marked some stars that I think that are important. And there is one mistake here. It's not Dve, it's Dve. So you can write it like this, make this correction. Let's say it together. Ekam Dve Trini Chatvari Pancha Shat Sapta Ashta Nava Dasha. Next is Ekadasha Dvadasha Trayodasha Chaturdasha. Most people make the mistake where to put the ref. So it's not above the, it is above the. Chaturdasha. Panchadasha Shodasha. Again Shodasha is important. Don't write Shat Dasha. You would be very lazy if you think it is Shat Dasha. It's Shodasha. If you want to know why it is Shodasha, it's the story of a sibling who are fighting, and I have covered the complete episode in detail in the Simplified Sanskrit series. The link is attached in the description box. Take a look for in-depth knowledge. Saptadasha, Ashtadasha, Navadasha, Vimshati. Everywhere I have underlined Ashta, meaning the A is inserted in between. Ekavimshatihi, Dvavimshatihi, Trayovimshatihi. Again, Chaturvimshatihi. Chatur, there is one ref at the top, and Vimshatihi. So it will look like there is one Chandra Bindu, but it is not Chandra Bindu. Chandra Bindu ऐसे होता है, ऐसे नहीं. So it is Chatur and Vimshatihi. Pancha Vimshatihi, Shat Vimshatihi. Everywhere we are writing ta. Only in this place it is da because of sandhi. Shada. Okay, da is half. Shat Vimshatihi. Sapta Vimshatihi, Ashta Vimshatihi, Nava Vimshatihi, Trimshat. Next, Ekadrimshat. Dvatrimshat. Again I have circled both this because of the insertion of half sa. Trayas Trimshat, Chatus Trimshat, Panchatrimshat, Shatrimshat, Saptatrimshat. ये सब easy है. स्टार वाले मार्क किए हैं वो कर लोगे तो बाकी सब easy है. नवत्रिंशत, चत्वारिंशत. Again, एक चत्वारिंशत, द्वा चत्वारिंशत. यहाँ पे there is one option. If you want to remember this, कि यहाँ पे त्रयस चतुस, वैसे ही यहाँ पे द्वि and three. So that is also correct one. द्विचत्वारिंशत, त्रिचत्वारिंशत. चतुष, this sh is there. तो लिखने के टाइम this ch with ch. चतुष चत्वारिंशत. Rest all are easy. पंचचत्वारिंशत, सप्तचत्वारिंशत, सप्तचत्वारिंशत, अष्टचत्वारिंशत, नवचत्वारिंशत, पंचाशत. एक श्वास में आप end to end बोल ले, यानी you are winning the game of संख्या. I hope you understood today's episode. It was fun with numbers in Sanskrit. Now, meet you in the next beautiful song come chapter. So stay tuned if you want to have a look of the actions that I am doing in that song. Till then, keep learning, have fun. Dhanyavadaha, Punarmilamaha. Do some Parokka today. Share this video to those who are still confused in Sanskrit. Join our support system group exclusively for students of class 5 to 7, 8 to 10 and 11-12 onwards. Keep learning and have fun with Sanskritam. If you found this video helpful, contributions are open and welcome to the UPI number given in the description box. You can also contact WhatsApp number 8511 499 555. It's completely optional and your contributions will help us to create more free videos for all of you. Dhanyavadah.